Code this drone to navigate this obstacle line. It is tough because it's the drone doesn't always do what you want it to do. You know, it hits the signs. You know, it's not consistent most of the time, but I'm having fun.
And this is the first time you all have ever competed in this, right?
Mm-hmm. Well, what I'm trying to do.
Out of the 2017 schools that qualified to go to their particular state, we fell out 122 and 127 for our first time ever doing something like this. Very proud of these young men and young ladies, coach. You know, out of 2,000 schools, and we're in the top 200. I can't do nothing but applaud. Like to say thank you to them, thank you to the parents, thank you to the school system for allowing us to you know, introduce these type programs to our students, and hopefully we can keep climbing from there. You know, like we say here, there's no pride like Trojan pride.